Okay, hello and welcome to this live stream. So, first, before we start, I'm just going to see if the voice is working. So, yes, I guess the audio is actually working. So, yeah, let's start. I already made a lot of progress in the game already because I think the jam started yesterday, but I I started making the game like today's morning. I am participating online. So the game jam theme, I guess, is the game jam theme is echo. So it has uh, the the game needs to use some echo or voices or echo related things. So this is what I did. So let's see my game right now. There are still some bugs and things that needs to be fixed before the game is perfectly fine. I just made the menu and some simple gameplay. Models are not very complex, like it's not very beautiful in the artistic way. This is the bat model and this is the cave that I made in Blender. So let's start. There's still some warnings in here. Okay. So this is the game. You control this bat. You see nothing. And you use your echo voice to for lights so that you can see more. The echo helps you see more. And without the echo, it's dark. So as it's written above in here, the knocking guides you. Follow it. What it means that it's you need to follow the knocking sound. There's a lot of paths in here in this cave, and you need to follow the path that leads you to the to well, that leads you to the correct way. You will need to reach the entity or the station called the echo collar. So let's see. This way, the voice is way. Currently, the placement of the color is not random. I don't know if it will be random, I will have enough time to make it random. I have been playtesting for a lot, so I just like I almost remembered all the cave. So yeah, this is it. For the cave, this is the cave currently. You start here, and the color is somewhere here. So it's not very big. It could be better. And it's not randomly generated. I created it all by hand. So if you go to the edit mode, I can just like take faces just like this, and I can just let's see this, and I can just extrude it just like that, and then I can just delete this face, and I can take the and I can just I actually also take this face and delete it fully, and yeah, we just take. So this is how I use it. I just take this and I just connect them. It will look bad because this is just I'm just showing right now, and yeah, and I just like press F3 and just write bridge, bridge. Now it's connected just like this. If we go inside it, let's go to object mode and we go inside it. Now it's way better. So yeah, I will make things better. For now, it's just a very small one. It's not very big. It's not a big cave. It's easy to find. But for the first playthroughs that I made, that I played in the playtesting, I had problems to find the autocolor. Yeah, let's see the scripts. Here's the script, okay? Not some complex. It's not very clean, but it's good. And it's actually also open source if you want maybe to test it. It's made using the Stride game engine if you want to try it. So yeah, there is the GitHub repo. So yeah, I was just following some how to load and unload scenes because this is the scene loader in Stride. I create the scenes and load them with code in here inside the scene loader. It's very simple changing between scenes. And now what I need to do is that uh, when you enter or when you collect the echo color, you just finish the game. It's a 2 day. It's I only have like some 10 hours left, so I will. It's not going to be something complex. I will just make the cave a bit bigger, maybe add better textures to it, and I need to finish the game loop. Like finding when you find the echo color, you should finish the game. And also, I need to clean up some things. I will need to clean up some things and fix some bugs. But currently, I guess it's perfectly fine. 50-50, not 100%. Okay, so the menu is not very beautiful. I need to make it. Oh, I forgot to change that. I need to go here. The menu UI. Where is it? This one. And let's go to menu, text button. I forgot to change the font. Should probably change the font. Just like that. Okay, so now let's see. Currently it's way better. So let's start. The particle system is very simple, it's not very complex. And okay, so where did I go? I will go back. I will go from here. I did a specialized audio type so that it's a 3D. The farther you go, the less you hear, and the closer you are, the more you hear. But this is the echo color. I should probably finish things up. Okay, so for the echo color, I will need to go here and inside the echo maze. Nope. Inside prefabs, the audio color. Inside it, I will need to create an empty entity and let's call it the echo collector. It's just going to be a static. Okay, where's the model? It's not showing. Where? What's it? Hmm. also takes its place. Okay, so if I go back to the menu scene, where is it? Menu, which is main scene. It's not the menu scene, it's the main scene. Okay, so it's still there. So let's go back to our prefab. And inside the prefab, inside the echo collector, I will need to add a static component. And okay, so let's go back to it. This is it. Let's add something here. Where is it? The echo collector. Let's make it eye contact event handler. It's here. Let's see trigger in physics simulation triggers. Yes, it's this one. Okay, so let's go to the startup script. We're just gonna create a startup script. Not here. It's going to be in the script folder. Add a startup script. Okay, let's call it echo collector. It's this one. Okay, so echo collector and yeah, eye contact handler. First, before we add that, we need the library. Sync stride dot physics. Event handler. It's for the okay. So we're just gonna add. What? It's not eye contact handler. Is it this one? Okay, let's have these. Let's add them in here. I don't think we need something. Oh, we're just gonna leave it there. Look exited, look entered. If contacts. Okay, so let's go to in here. Hmm. Let's see. Echo color. We need a new collider. It's going to be a box collider, and it's going to be very large. Not very large, just 5 by 5, I guess. And inside this, I will add the echo controller. Did I add it? Was it added to the script? I don't think so. So we're just gonna add it again. Where is it? Where is it? It's this one, echo color. Now I guess it's going to work, probably. I'm just going to add this one again. Okay. Now we have an eye contact event handler. Okay. So now it's probably gonna say entered. Probably. So instead of adding a log, it's better to add a debug jar because I have a lot of warnings inside it. So debug text and it's this one. Nah, no need to change the color. 100 and 100. Same thing here. instead, I'm just gonna exit it. I'm just testing right now because when you exit, you can't exit because the the moment you will enter, directly you will just uh, teleport to the main menu again, probably. Okay, so let's see. Let's start the game and see if it's working properly. The sound is it? Do you hear me? Okay, so I guess the sound is working right now. I'm just testing. So let's start. Another thing. Let's see. I think I need that. If there's no contact response, just say nothing like this. No, let's. Okay, so let's see. A trigger. What are we going to put inside that? Script trigger. Where's the script? So I'm just gonna say true, right? Let's say true. It's a bool. I forgot. I can't do a null in it. Okay, so let's just echo maze those windows. Hopefully it will work this time. Okay, hate this. Okay, I will just cheat again because I know the way. Probably it's not here. It's uh, maybe here. I guess. Oh, it is here. Now I'm just going to test if it's working. Oh, yep. It, echo collected and echo exited. Echo collected, echo exited. It's working. Now I need to send a message to another script. Scripts and it's not here. Events, probably events. Create and broadcast an event. Event key, game over, event key. Event.broadcast. Broadcast player 1. Game over. Okay, let's try that. Just gonna have a private data event key. Event key. Let's win event is equal to what is it? New event key and it's going to be global and the event is going to be winning. And when on start touching, we just win event dot broadcast. I don't need to add anything. Okay, and the receiver. Okay, so far, which is this one, the scene loader. Huh. It works as a sync script, so it cannot detect a startup script. Let's just add let's change it to a sim script. Okay, just gonna add update function, and we're just gonna create var a winning listener is equal to, what is it, new event receiver, and it's going to be global events, global events. Okay, it's not there. Probably I'm going to need to include something. Dot events. Is it working properly? A global events. Okay, so to make things easier, I'm just going to make it like this, and a global events. So echo collector name is win event. Is the win event. Okay. Oh, I forgot. It's the echo collector, and it shall be public. Okay, so it's the echo collector dot win event. Var winning is equal to the winning listener dot try receive. Okay. Winning listener data is equal to event string echo collector dot win event. Okay, so I forgot to add this. It's probably, I guess, important, I guess. Do you still hear me, I guess? Okay, so the voice is working. It's just a bit low. I don't know why. Okay. Hi. Okay, I forgot to add the data to it. Okay, so event. I need another public static event key. Static. The voice is not very good. Okay, so you cannot hear me. What about now? The voice is not. Okay, do you hear me now? Okay, so you cannot hear me. What about now? Okay, okay, now I think it's good. Okay, let's continue. Thank you. event key string. Okay, so now I'm just going to the data event key for the win event. I should create, I get creating, I should start creating it. I forgot to create it, so it's a string. Okay, so win event data is equal to new event key string, and it's going to be, I guess, the same. It's also global. I am right now building a game for the Moroccan Game Jam. It's uh, it's a game where you control a bat because it's the Game Jam theme is Echo, so you just control a bat and try to use its echolocation uh, like properties to like move inside the cave and find the echo collectors. They are like structures that you need to collect, and it's also winning. Okay. Using AI for coding. For most of the time, I use the documentation or just use like the code completion in the IDEs, but AI are very helpful when you are stuck. Like sometimes I have some errors or like the code is correct but something is not working and I don't know why. I just use AI. Like sometimes it's just like in here some things are not working. I just GitHub Copilot. If not, if GitHub Copilot is not working, I use something else. So AI is not really good to rely on, but it's just for small problems or if you are like if you have a problem, don't use it to generate code. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, so winning with data, winning data. I'm not gonna write all that. Okay, so the scene loader. Okay. So if something happened here, okay, data. Oh wait. So what is the type of this? Where is it? Where is it? It's this one. It's a bool. So I don't think I need this. Let's try it. If winning, then I will just do this and just change things in here. Level scene and actually load the menu scene and make the UI component actually true. The game is actually 3D. Um, I'm going to do. I'm going to start it right now. It's going to work. Hopefully, it's going to work. Okay, it's actually in 3D. I am not an artist, so the art is not very good. And yeah, this is the game. It's not the correct path. I guess it's this one. Nope, this is the game. Okay, so let's see if what we did is working. So I entered. I forgot. Okay, so I should probably add the echo collector. Let's go and add a debug text so that I can know if it's actually entering. So if I have a problem, something. So entered and yeah, let's just new int 2 and let's make it 100 by 100 and I should add another one. Inside the scene loader, I will check if the event is received with another debug text. So debug text and you win. This time it's going to be 200 by 200. I should know if it's received because actually, if you see in here, everything is actually one scene and you. Okay, so I use a scene for each section, a scene for the menu, and a scene for the level. But there's a global scene that when you want a main menu, you load the menu scene. If you want the level scene, you just load it. So I have a global script that loads everything. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it's this one. Let's move. There's actually two paths to use to so if you want to reach the echo collector. Okay, yeah, entered. So it's actually entering, but actually it's not like detecting, or the event is not reaching. Okay, so let's see if the event is going to reach. And yeah, and let's name it the winning listener. Yeah, it's this one. It's listener data. Okay, now let's just change this. It's nah, I forgot. I am actually doing this, and let's just collect this, and let's make it a variable, a local variable. It's a var winning, and let's just change all of this to a receiver instead of key, and it's actually the echo collector dot win event data, and let's change this to if winning listener data dot try receive and out string data. Tokyo Spliff? I don't think I know it. I never heard of it. What is it? Is it a game? Oh, Tokyo Spliff. Oh, I just remembered. Yes, yes, I remember him. He is, I guess, he does like live streams on OpenGL, I guess. He does low level things. He uses, I guess, Vulkan and OpenGL, and he is creating I guess it's an FPS game. I remember him. Uh, yeah, He's a really good programmer. Like he's very great. Yeah, he's building his own game engine. I'm just learning. I do like to learn low level stuff. It's very intriguing. Okay, let's remove this and let's enter the game. And let's go from this way. I really wanted to I really want to learn like graphics programming, but currently I don't have the skill yet to that for that. Okay, entered, exited and exited, entered, exited, entered, exited. Hmm. Okay, I it's not working. I don't know why. I think the event is not. Let's add a file. Let's add a echo collector file. Okay, and ask him the event is not received. Debug. Oh, thank you. I am now using this Stride game engine. I don't know if you heard of it. It's actually a great game engine. I started learning it a while ago, and I really like it. It's fully built in C sharp, so even if I want to change something in the source code, I just change it. I don't. I do know C and C++. I learned them before C sharp, but I found C sharp easier to work with. So this is why I like. This is why I like Stride because it's fully built in C sharp, and I found it easier to work with the source code. The audio is not working currently. I guess because I am talking a little bit like low. I don't know if you hear me now. I think I need to like improve the audio. I don't know if it why is it not a way it's low. Next stream I probably will improve the audio. You hear me actually. Let's see. Next stream I probably will. Now it's good. Yeah, I'm just talking very low. I need to talk louder so that you can hear me. Okay, let's see if Copilot will help us. I don't know why it's not working. I followed the documentation, and when the docs is not working and you don't know what to do, you just ask AI. Yes, confirm. Just if you want the output. It's not really helpful, but you can use it if you want it. The GitHub Copilot. What? Why am I using 6.net.stl? I'm not changing the windowing. Okay, why? You win. And it's data. Should I added a percentage field when receiver and when receiver data and initialize them in the start? Let's apply that and see if it's going to work. Yes, if you want to build your own engine, you should be actually very have a very decent knowledge of math. I guess it's linear algebra, specifically physics, if you want to create your own physics engine, and if you don't want, for physics, I guess it's for rendering. It's it's the other way. Okay. For rendering for lights, you need to know like have physics knowledge for light bouncing and everything if you want to create lighting. But for if you want a physics engine for the actual physics of the game, you can just create can just use a pre-built one. But for rendering, you need math and physics. Okay, so now let's see if it's actually working or not. Echo collector.win event. Okay. Okay, so let's please work right now. It's display. I have I have been playtesting for a lot that I actually remember all the maze. It's actually a maze. It should be a maze. I think I should make a bigger cave. Okay, so you win. Okay. So now it's actually received. So now I can actually try this. Okay. So I'm just going to switch this. I'm just going to make it the level scene. This one is the actually the menu scene, and actually let's make it true. Nice. Using JavaScript. I have tried once and it was a 50-50. I don't know. It wasn't bad and it wasn't a good experience with JavaScript. I guess I used Excalibur JS. I used it with the type with JavaScript. It's actually a TypeScript uh, framework, but it actually works also for with JavaScript. It's great. I also used, I guess, Phaser, if you know it. But the most is Canvas. HTML Canvas is the best, I guess, for JavaScript. For me, I really liked using it. It's easy and it's very customizable. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's see. If you have this, the main game loop is done, and now I will need to add more things like if I can add enemies, it's going to be a good. And if I can add random placement, I don't know if I can do it. Yeah, it's working. Okay, but the button is stuck, and I can't unlock it. I guess I can just open the task manager, and it's going to be locked again. I should probably just end task in here. Okay, I will need to fix that. The name of the like yes, I will actually. I really need to add those. But for the torches, actually, the theme for the game jam is echoes. So I don't need light to help me like reach my goal. I need the sound. This is why I use the uh, the echo of the bat to light a little bit the cave. So I use the echo, the sound wave of the bat to light the the cave. I don't think I should add this because the theme of the jam is echoes. If you want the name, For the JavaScript, actually, I guess it's Excalibur. Okay, let's open it here. Excalibur JS. It's this one. I'm gonna write it in the Excalibur JS if you want it. It's this one that I used, and also HTML canvas is and HTML canvas is like no libraries, just using the HTML renderer. It's my favorite one. I have a project with it. Okay, let's see. It's this one. This one I created using the HTML canvas. So this is the HTML. It's very like it's empty, I guess. And I am actually using canvas, which is this one. I am the canvas render in HTML, and the full code is in JavaScript. It's a life simulation. It's a particle simulation. Yeah, I used this video to make it. I don't think I have a photo like. I don't think I have like a like an image showcasing it or a video, but yeah, I used like HTML canvas to create these games. Okay, let's continue now. What did I want to add? Ah, when I change the scene, I want the mouse to unlock. So in the camera controller, I guess, yes, we just lock the mouse, and I want to unlock it. I'm just gonna copy this line, and inside the scene loader, when you win, which is here, should not forget that. Thanks for checking my GitHub if you want, and if you want, you can follow me on GitHub if you want. I don't really do much things on GitHub, just game projects mostly, and some of the sometimes I'm just like I mostly work on I my most of the time I just create projects of game dev or it's a Stride game engine. I'm trying to create my own like framework on top of it to make things easier for me, especially for the UI and for the API, making it easier. Like instead of writing 4 lines, I just group them in a function, which make it only 1 line. I I didn't release that in on GitHub yet, but it's going to be out in the next year, next month if I work fast. If not, I will. It's going to be next year. I'm very slow at working, especially because of school. I don't finish projects fast. Okay, and it should unlock. And why is it not unlocked? It should unlock actually. I don't know why, but it's not actually unlocked. You're learning full stack development. Nice. I tried learning web dev once, and it's very important, and I really want to learn it. I guess I wanted to learn. I already know how to use HTML and JavaScript and CSS, and I wanted to learn a JavaScript library, something like React or Svelte or Vue. I started with React. I didn't really like it that much, and I stopped working with it. I don't know why. So yeah, I didn't test the other ones. I should probably test them. because I really need to learn something. Like web development is like very important. I mostly do like low level things with C and C++ and also C sharp. I mostly do game dev and some desktop apps, sometimes mobile, but mostly I work on the desktop. It's not unlocking the mouse in here. Input dot unlock mouse. Okay. Don't know why it's not unlocking the mouse, but it's working actually. So if I go here and let's try to find it again. If I find it, is it from here? Yes, it's here. Probably here. Hopefully I didn't. Okay, so I went the wrong way. I should probably go back. It's been a while since I been lost. Okay, is it here? No. Okay, so I just yeah, I'm lost again. I do have a Discord server. I don't do much in it because there's no one in it. But if you want to join it, I will leave the link for it. Okay, let's just I'm just going to copy the link and put it in the chat. So there's almost no one in it right now, but if I build a big enough community, I will probably I might do more things in it. I will be more active in it if there is more people in it. Right now, I guess it only have two people. It's not that much, so I don't post there much. I did post some in the past, but not too much right now. Okay, now I am not lost. I don't know why did I get lost last time. Okay, so the mouse is not fully unlocked, but you can actually go out and actually shut down, or you can just replay again. And it's cannot. Why? I don't know why, but it's not working. Hmm. It's not unloaded successfully. Okay, let's see. Where do I have the problem? I am unloading the parent scene. Am I actually unloading the parent scene or not? I am unloading it because if it was not unloaded. Okay, so let's see again if it's actually loaded or not. Unloaded. Okay, to check if it's actually loaded or unloaded, it's unloaded. So why I cannot change use the buttons again? So I deactivated the UI component, but when I reactivate it, it stopped working. I don't know why. I should probably find the issue. Okay, let's see what I can do. Mhm. Solution. Let's test this again and see why it's not going to work. Why it's not working? Let's see. Okay, let's start. Okay, so now it's working. But I cannot press. Hmm. Okay. Button click dot plus equal. Okay, let's see. Why is it not working? It's not unlocking fully the mouse. That probably might be the problem. Okay. So debug print. Don't think I need that for now. Okay. So I wanted that to unlock the mouse. I might try something. Okay, so let's see. It's is there a problem in here? There was a problem. I would have known about it. Will be removed in a future version or teleport. Oh, okay. Forget it. Let's see. I will create a new script inside the in here, and I'm just going to create a startup script. A startup script, and let's make it. Let's call it menu script. Yes. Okay. Let's go to the menu. Where's the menu? The menu scene. Asset menu scene. Where's it? This one, and just gonna go to the script, and I'm just going to put it somewhere. Let's create an empty and manager. Okay, and let's add the menu script inside the menu script, which is this one. I'm just going to create input dot unlock mouse position, lock mouse position. So it's this one, right? Yep. Okay. So now if I go, thank you for joining the Discord. Let's see. Yes, you joined actually. And hi, thank you for joining. Okay, so let's see. Uh, what do you mean by that? Okay, let's try again. It's this one. Let's forget. Inshallah. A good community, inshallah. Maybe. I can have a bigger community in the future. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not working. And why am I having a debug text when I click this entered? So there is actually two ways to load and unload scenes. And it's actually in Game Studio, scenes, load and unload. I can also use this. I will try the other way for unloading scenes because I don't think that the level scene is fully unloaded. So load children dot remove level scene. Okay, hopefully this time it's going to work properly. Maybe. Okay, so let's start. Let's close this. And okay, I think which one? It's this one. Okay, so I'm lost again. It's this one. Yes. Yep, it is this one. Faculty. Not bad. It's mostly following the curriculum and like a lot of self study. You most of the time you will study on your own. So yeah, yeah. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's add the echo collector, which is this one. Okay. So button not working. The Let's add another file and let's make it the menu. Okay, so the button is not working when winning and going back to the menu and enabling UI page so I can play and the debug text for entering the trigger sometimes appear. Yeah. When you like it's been like more than 10 minutes I guess or 15 minutes that I have been fighting with this problem and it still has no it's still not fixed. I don't have the choice but to use AI. Deep breath. Okay. Yes. Sometimes I'm just you just become angry. Set up UI. Okay, okay, okay. See what I change and do I move to finding the menu until after the menu state, which safely locates the menu entity, gets the UI component. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I don't have a menu component or menu entity. Okay, the menu scene entity and setup menu with safely locates and indicates the UI component, finds the start button and attach the click handler, removing any previous handler first. This avoids duplicates, subscriptions, and null reference. Kept event receiver instance as persistent field created in start. Okay, so let's see if it's going to fix my code magically. Okay, no error. But a lot of time AI gave me a lot of errors. Like some one time I had a problem, like I had 12 errors and I didn't know how to fix them. I tried everything. I even tried when I tried AI and it gives me 72 errors. So it's actually added 60 more errors to my code base instead of fixing it. This is why only use AI when you really need it. And even when you really need it, sometimes it's just going to let you down. It's actually improving more and more. It's better than when it started. Well, it's still not very good. Okay, it's still the same problem. It just write my code, but in another way. I don't know. Okay, so same problem. I see that there is 8 viewers. Hello and welcome to this live stream. Hope you like my content. I do a lot of live streams like that and sometimes videos. So I am trying to improve the quality. It's been a while since I published a video, but if I publish one next time, it's going to be way better. If the scene asset is no longer required, make sure to unload it. Yeah. The button click event, find entity and scene. Whoa, why are we trying to find entity in the scene? You know what? I'm not going to do that. Okay, so a lot of comments. Comments are helpful. This is way too much. So you cannot actually replay the game. Don't know why. I should probably find another solution for this. AI is not helping at all. So I need to use human intelligence. Okay. Can we use other humans' intelligence? I don't know. The documentation is not working at all, and I don't know why. Okay, so this one is not working at all, so I'm just going to comment it for now. I'm just going to go to the scene loader and window. I'm just going to unlock the mouse and okay. So Copilot didn't work. Will GPT work? I am using GPT in Copilot, but it didn't work. So I'm just going to copy the same one I did in here. And yeah, I'm just going to. The first AI didn't work. Let's use another one if possible. Button doesn't work. Go back to menu. You are enabled, but the button still does nothing. Debug text appears only sometimes. I'm going to modify this. It should not appear at all. The mouse. Okay, on because it's for the trigger. Also, the mouse is not unlocking. But it can get out of the window just to make sure. And is it because the vaccine is not properly like unloaded? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because it's not properly unloaded. Root cause your menu scene stays loaded permanently. Hmm. It's true. I'm asking a question. It's not a fact. So old UI, old events, receiver, still alive in the memory. Button not working. One trigger firing again. UI enabling weirdly. Mouse locking and looking acting stage. Replay not possible. Multiple copies of your level overlapping each other. Why your scene never fully loaded? Okay, and for removing. Yes, it's true. Okay, for removing. Okay, let's try. Scene.remove does not destroy scripts, UI events, or static states. If a scene contains script, sync script, async script, UI elements, okay, they remain in memory until all references are gone. And every time, each time you win, you call setup menu UI. Yes. Okay, that's true. And I should not do that. Real fix is replace with scene system.dispose. Do not keep reference to scenes. Scene instance dot root scene dot children dot add. Okay. load menu. When unloading is to children. JC is it the garbage collector? Maybe, maybe. Okay, so let's see. GC dot collect. So scripts are not getting unloaded. So I come this way and it's this way. Okay, I found you. Let's go back and it's not working. It's not working. So even the garbage collector is not working. I will redo the way of loading and unloading the scene is the documentation. Okay, so I will try something. Instead of having this scene, it's this thing like that. I'm just going to turn it into a scene system. Okay, so scene system dot. Okay, so I'm just going to be okay. Let's see. I don't know why did I do that. A scene instance dot. Okay, I want to have the root scene. And it's not going to have the root scene. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's okay. Let's keep it the entity dot scene. I'm just gonna keep it this way. AI doesn't help much. I'll load scripts or UI. So throw them away. Load of rich scene. Oh, okay. So I want to have something. I will go back to what I had before and I will try to fix because having I had much cleaner code, I guess. It was smaller. This one. Okay. Let's see if it's going to work. I will have a private void load menu, and yeah, I'm just going to have the menu. Where is it? Okay, it's this one. I don't know why did I do that. Okay, I will remove this one and this one. I will have this and remove this, and I will add another one, which is a private void load level, and I'm just going to change this one to the main scene. Okay, and I will have one for unloading. Unload. Okay, so what if I want to unload about unloading? Forgot about unloading. So put children here. Okay, input. So each time I want to load actually another level, I just clear the other levels, I guess. Maybe. Okay, it's not this one. I'm just gonna load the level, and I will remove this debug text. I want to remove this one too, and this one too. Load menu. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. This one is going to be load menu too. So I start it and it loads the menu. Okay, it's working currently perfectly. Amazing. Please work this time. Okay, so you enter and it crashed. So the scene has already apparent. Detach it first. Okay. Uh, hmm. Menu scene. Winning receiver hit her is seen have touch it first. So this is okay. Loads a new scene asset, but try scenes are reference type. If you try to re-add the same scene multiple times, it will throw this error. Always load a fresh instance. This is what I am doing. Okay, so let's try it again. Hopefully it's working this time. Okay, so it's loading. And oh, I forgot to unlock the mouse. And just gonna use task manager again to just what is it? This one end task. Okay. Hopefully it's going to work. It's added after this. I know it's not really following order. I'm just going to add it after. Okay, so let hopefully this time it's actually going to so it's not available. So the font I am using actually don't have some characters, so this is why it's giving me that warning. I am not using those characters, so no need to change the font. And so I don't know. Can I please? It's still locked. And task. it's still locked. Okay, I will try another thing. Each time we load the menu, we unlock it. Just like that. And let's see. If it doesn't work, okay, so let's try the other way first and then this way. I will make it like this. Okay. Okay. Still not working. Okay, let's give him again this. Button still not working. And mouse get invisible inside game window. I really need to try to find the problem. AI didn't really help me at all with this problem. It's just giving me more. It's just giving me the same thing that I did. It's not actually solving anything. Go anywhere. Enabling UI to loading menu. Okay. Let's add this here. Let's open this one. What might what you could probably give me, I don't know. Mm-hmm. Let's have it here and is not all. And let's have it minus equal. Maybe because it's okay. So UI enabled is true. Okay. UIs, entities, all. Okay, so let's change this one to like this and dot find dot get entity dot fund child menu. Okay, and in here let's move all of this. Maybe, maybe. No, just gonna move everything except the win receiver, and that's it. Just gonna keep the win receiver in here. Okay, and the load menu, of course. So let's try again. Hell, hopefully it's going to work. Okay, we have the UI in here. Let's go. Okay, are we close to it? Okay, so this is it. Okay, we reach it. Still same problem. It's like they are overlapping between each other. When receiver that try receive, dot try receive. Okay, let's try again. Now the menu is not getting removed. Load level, load the UI entity. Component enable is equal to false. No need for this because it's already in the camera script, so I don't need to lock. Just need to unlock. Content load. So load children clear. Should clear everything. Yeah, I think this fix is going to take a lot of time. How much are we in? For 1 hour and 15 minutes, probably. I think I will say goodbye. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye. And maybe I will make another live stream next time.